How to easily remove hyperlinks from multiple cells. I have data exported from a tool as XLS. In this, one of the column has text which is a hyperlink to information in the tool. I can remove the hyperlink for each cell. But I want to remove the hyperlink for all the cells in the column in an easier way. Is there an option in Excel itself?
Select all cells you want to clear from hyperlinks, then click the Home tab in the ribbon at the top of Excel. In the Editing group, click on the Clear pull-down arrow and select Clear Formats. Update. Select all cells you want to clear from hyperlinks, right-click and cut or use Ctrl+X. Now open up a Notepad window and paste it there. Now select all the lines with content from Notepad and right-click Cut or use Ctrl+X. Now select the top cell of the Just Cut column in Excel and right-click Paste or use Ctrl+V.
Follow these steps. In any empty cell, type in the number 1, it can be deleted later. Right-click the cell where you type the number 1 and then click on Copy. Select the cells with hyperlinks that you want to delete. On the Home tab, in the Clipboard group, click the down arrow and then click on Paste Special. Under Operation, click on Multiply and then click OK. On the Home tab, in the Styles group, click on Cell Styles. From the drop-down menu, click on Normal. Now the hyperlinks are deleted. You can now delete the number 1 used to perform this task.
An option would be to let a VBA macro do the donkey work. Press Alt F11, double-click this workbook, then copy this code into the resulting window, essentially only one line of code. Press Alt F11 to go back to your spreadsheet, select all the cells with hyperlinks, then do Alt T M M or Alt F8 and select the Remove Hyper macro, then select Run. When you're done, if you want to remove the macro, either save the file as .xlsx or press Alt F11 and remove the code.
I highlighted the range that had multiple hyperlinks embedded. I copied them to another section of the spreadsheet, then used the special paste function, and pasted them as values into the new section. Worked like a charm.